funniest lie you ever got away with? When I was 13, I told my teacher the classic excuse, my dog ate my homework. I honestly expected her to roll her eyes, give me a 0, and move on. But instead, she just crossed her arms and said, bring me proof. I froze. Proof? Since when do teachers actually expect evidence for that kind of lie? At that point, I couldn't back out. If I admitted I was lying, I'd probably get detention, or worse, get roasted in front of the entire class. So I nodded like I had a plan and said, sure, I'll bring it tomorrow. When I got home, I opened my backpack and stared at the real worksheet, completely untouched and perfectly clean. I thought about telling the truth for a second, but I just couldn't handle the embarrassment. So I came up with the dumbest idea of my life. If my dog hadn't eaten my homework, I'd make him eat it. I printed out a fresh worksheet, spread a bunch of peanut butter all over it, and handed it to my dog, Brian. At first, he sniffed it suspiciously, then absolutely tore it apart. He shredded the paper, drooled all over it, and left behind a chewed up, soggy mess. Honestly, it looked super believable. I scooped up the remains, sealed them in a plastic bag, and felt like a criminal mastermind heading into school the next morning. When my teacher asked for proof, I handed over the bag like it was a piece of evidence in a courtroom. She opened it, looked at the slobbery disaster, and paused. For a second, I thought she was about to call me out, but then she just sighed and said, fine, I'll let it slide this time. I couldn't believe it. I had actually gotten away with it, but right as I was walking back to my seat, she handed me the bag and added, next time, maybe feed your dog something that's not your assignment. I nodded and sat down, feeling like I just pulled off the biggest win of the year.